What if the moon suddenly stopped orbiting the Earth? Ultra cinematic, it happens in a single, impossible moment. No explosion, no warning. The moon stops. Above our world, the ancient dance between Earth and its only natural satellite freezes in silence. At first, nothing seems wrong. Cities glow. People sleep. The oceans look calm. But the planet has already begun to fall out of balance. Within hours, the tides weaken. Along coastlines across the world, the sea no longer breathes in and out as it once did. Ports fall silent. Entire marine species that depend on the moon's pull lose their rhythm. Within days, chaos spreads through the oceans. Fish stop migrating. Coral reefs begin to die. The ocean's food chain fractures from the bottom up, and humanity feels the shock soon after, on its dinner table. But the real disaster is still building in the sky. The moon is Earth's stabilizer. Its gravity acts like a cosmic anchor, keeping our planet's tilt steady. Without it, Earth begins to slowly wobble. At first, the seasons shift slightly. Spring arrives too late. Summers grow longer. Winters become unpredictable. Then the drift accelerates. Superstorms rip across continents. Glaciers advance into megacities. Heat waves ignite forests on a scale never seen before. The climate system that took millions of years to stabilize collapses in decades. And then, the nights change. No more crescent moon, no full moon, no silver light on the oceans. Only darkness. A darkness so deep that human sleep cycles begin to break. Hospitals report waves of insomnia, anxiety, and hallucinations. Crime rises under the cover of endless shadow. Animals that once followed the moon's light lose their navigation. Predators and prey fall out of sync. Ecosystems unravel in silence. Yet high above the planet, something even more dangerous is unfolding. Satellites slip from their calculations. GPS signals drift. Aviation systems report errors no one can explain. One by one, the invisible threads that connect the modern world begin to snap. Global communication becomes unreliable. Shipping routes fail. Entire economies tremble. And still, the moon remains frozen in the sky until gravity reasserts itself. Slowly, almost gently at first, Earth begins to pull the moon closer. Tiny fractures appear on its surface, invisible to the human eye. Then the sky lights up. Meteor storms tear through the atmosphere. Fire rains across continents. Cities burn. Scientists watch in horror as the moon begins its final descent. If it strikes, the impact energy would rival millions of nuclear bombs. Oceans would rise into the sky. Continents would crack. The atmosphere itself would ignite. Most life on Earth would vanish in a single day. Humanity might survive the early stages. We might adapt to broken oceans, unstable climates, endless darkness. But the truth would be unavoidable. The moment the moon stopped, the countdown to Earth's collapse had already begun. Because the moon was never just a light in the night. It was the heartbeat of our planet. And when that heartbeat stops, so does the world we know.